Chloe versus the nightmare boards.
Yes, they are a nightmare.
Please be safe. We're out here today with beginner skateboarder.
Chloe Holmes.
And she had this idea was her idea. I'm just gonna make that so clear. Her idea, not my idea.
It was actually Kylie's idea.
Hashtag blame Lance. Okay, so Kylie and Chloe were like, Chloe should do a nightmare board challenge. And I was like, okay, is she gonna do the kickflip?
Yeah, absolutely.
And then she was like, no, I'll ollie them. And I was like, I could not even ollie most of these boards. I still can't even skate right now because my foot is still broken, but it is healing up and we will be back soon. But yeah, so should we set a timer or not even?
I mean, is that how they normally are done?
Normally it is 30 minutes.
Okay.
Look at these insane boards. I mean, some of these are woo-wee, crazy town. So,
I think I could do it actually.
I was just thinking, you know, maybe just ride around. If you ride around and then you rode the challenge, you rode the board.
Okay, then I could definitely, for $10,000, if I can ride them all.
Fun fact, she's never ridden a Ripstick before. Hey Siri, set a timer for 30 minutes. Okay, do your best or your worst. You're gonna start with that one.
Just riding around.
You gotta ollie it, you said.
Ollie it.
I said ride around, you said ollie.
Okay.
Go ahead, ride around. You can
Okay.
start with that one. And if you can't ollie it, because it's completely impossible, please be safe, Chloe.
My foot is stopping the wheel.
Yeah, get your foot out of there. Watch out! Wow, look at that. What is occurring?
That is not easy.
No, and impossible to ollie because look at that ratio. Don't even try an ollie on that, please.
Don't even try.
No, you can try. Don't let me discourage you. You're a winner. There you go! You did it! First try. What do you call that board?
All-terrain wheel board, right?
Yeah, of course. And this one? The all-wheel board.
The all-wheel.
Heavy. This thing is so freaking heavy. Also dangerous.
So dangerous.
It is very dangerous. Watch out, because it'll clip your ankle.
You're more scared than I am.
I know, I'm freaking. Is it very stable? Yeah! You count that?
Yeah.
Leave it in the comments below if that counts.
Look at that.
Wow. I was thinking we should get Chloe, just as a beginner, just the widest board possible, just for her skateboarding.
It's kind of fun.
It is kind of fun. See?
Okay, done.
Okay, you like it?
Yep.
Now you're under the surfboard. You know, this is 3D printed.
It's 3D printed?
Fan-made 3D printed. So if you break it, you disappoint all the fans. First try. This one also really doesn't have much of a tail. This is turning into a kick turn challenge. Okay. That was basically an ollie.
Yeah, it was. That's as good as it's gonna get with that one.
I love how you just give one little try, then you give up.
That was it. No, it's because I nailed it.
Nailed it, indeed. Okay, this next one, you can kickflip this if you wanted.
If I wanted to.
I can't believe you've never Ripstick before.
Okay, now this one I'm not gonna be able to do.
Yeah, you can.
That's my biggest challenge.
No, you gotta rip it.
How do you do it?
Here.
You just stand on?
Here, you film me, let me see.
Oh God, Aaron.
No, I can Ripstick. Put your front foot on, and then you gotta give it a little push, and then you're rolling. And then it's like Shakira, the hips don't lie situation.
Okay.
Like, you know what I mean? See the hips and the shoulders?
I didn't see Shakira in there, but I
Move the
saw
head
your
and shoulders
hips and
first.
Shoulders.
Yeah, you did see Shakira. Leave it in the comments below. So give it a little push, then step the back foot on. I feel a whole tutorial of you learning how to Ripstick coming along. A whole series. Chloe Ripstick Pro.
This is not gonna happen.
Really? You actually can't do that. That's like the worst way. Give it a push. Start with your front foot on, give it a little push, and then jump on both feet. You can't Ripstick.
How do you do this? I just watched you do it. I can't figure it out.
Put both feet on now. Give it a little push. I don't even know how to explain it. How to Ripstick the easiest way tutorial? Yeah, we need that. What in the world, Chloe?
There's no way to do
Here.
this. Watch it again.
So level your front foot like so you're holding it up. See how
Yeah.
the wheel is like normal?
Yes.
You're like starting like that. Start
Okay.
like this. Man, these shoes are bad, aren't they? So like that, then give it a little push. See? Now I'm rolling just like a skateboard. Now I can Shakira. You see that?
I see it.
Like on a regular skateboard, it's almost like the tic-tac.
Like the tic-tac, okay.
Back and forth. But start with your front foot on, so it's like this. Ready? Put your front foot on like that. Yeah, like that. Now, give it a little push and step the other foot on. Yeah, now shake your moneymaker. Now give it a little push and then jump on. Now like swivel. Yeah.
Mother.
I knew that was gonna happen. You okay?
Yes.
How did she get injured? The Ripstick. Said nobody. Give up now. Just break it. Yep, focused.
Okay, so. Hey, I stood on it for a
Hey, you
minute.
made it. That was basically an ollie. Well done. Okay, get that rip out of there. Rip it, grip it, strip it.
Okay.
This one is made out of pure titanium. Another one sent in by a fan. Those trucks are not on there straight. I don't know why we use those trucks, but we did.
It turns.
It turns, yeah. It's because the trucks aren't straight. It's not the board's fault. Watch your shins.
I will be okay.
Watch your shins, please. This one you could ollie
Yeah,
if you're really adventurous. Yeah, that was good.
that is not easy.
Yep, shinner, 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 shinner chicken dinner. Give it a push, Wang Dinga. Yeah, nailed it. Good?
This turns too much.
It's interesting to watch you ride something with broken trucks. You need to have
Why?
perfect trucks.
I know.
Chloe versus the nightmare boards.
I'm killing it.
You're killing it, absolutely. But even see how they did the bee on there?
Oh, that's cool.
Yeah, it is cool. You putting that one up? That's all you had for it?
I ollied it.
You're scared.
No,
I
I
told you.
killed it.
That's why they call these nightmare boards, because they're nightmare.
It is actually much scarier than I was
Really, right?
thinking. Yeah,
Okay, which one's this?
the bullet.
No, whose board is that? Please tell me you know whose board this is.
Whose board is it?
Ay, caramba!
Bart Simpson!
Oh my gosh, I should have known that.
Unfreaking believable. This one definitely suits you. Yeah, you're like going to class. You're like in your college class. You're like, hey boys, check out my board. And they're like, dang, you're cool.
That is what would happen.
Straight up. This one's hard because of the tail, lack of tail.
Yeah,
Yeah.
that's as good as that one's gonna
Really?
get. Yeah,
I said, Chloe, please be safe. She said, I know my boundaries.
exactly.
Was that to the limit of your boundaries?
Yeah,
Okay, you're really shredding it though.
I do like this one.
Yeah?
Yeah,
For surfing on the beach.
exactly. That might be the kind of skater I am.
Yeah, that's why I'm interested to teach you the kerf board.
Yeah. See, that
Okay.
looks like my thing.
This is pure metal, pure danger. Please be safe.
What if I just did a kick flip?
I would give you $100.
Like all this time I was actually really good.
Yeah.
Yeah, no, this one's too scary.
Do the practice steps, 1 and then 2. 1, 2. Yeah, the lack of grip tape is not helping you. Yeah, right? It's also very heavy.
Yeah, it's too heavy. It's a little too scary. I know my boundaries.
So are we keeping a count on this? I think you're 0 for 10 at the moment.
I thought one of them, at least one of them counted.
Yeah, maybe. She's like, I know my boundaries. I'm over this. So are the nightmare boards more nightmare than you thought?
Yes.
They're like Nightmare on Elm Street.
Well, they look like kind of fun and lively.
Yeah,
They're not.
I know. A lot of people think, wow, these are so fun. Let me roll it. And then you step on the board and you're like, not fun. No, sir.
Exactly.
What's this? It's a light board
Oh, I see.
from Aperture Lights. Shout out
Okay.
Aperture.
Okay. Well, it's smooth. I give it that.
Yeah, it is smooth. This is another one you could be cruising to the beach.
Mm-hmm.
Turn the lights on.
Okay. Is this actually a board that they make?
No,
It's just for us.
just for us.
Oh.
You're just a little bit too fast on the step number 2. Let the tail pop. You got that. Fakey ollie? No, we better stop. This is danger zone. Yeah. First try.
Okay, was that enough? We're all 4 wheels off the ground?
No. I hate to tell you,
Okay.
but leave it in the comments below. They were not.
It's so heavy that my ankles are hurting.
I know, I understand. Yes, I am dying to skateboard again. I'm just dying. I'm getting close. I'm doing physical therapy. We're getting there, but I'm just not quite there yet. I should probably make an update video to update you guys. There it was!
Did I get all 4 wheels?
I think so.
Okay.
Couldn't totally tell, but we'll count it.
Okay.
Good job.
1 for 10.
This one is excellent. What do you make of that?
I just noticed it. That is absolutely ridiculous.
I would put the orange wheels in the front. Just my professional opinion, thoroughly labeled as such. Yes.
No.
Yes.
No way.
Yeah, step on there, you're good. Yeah, see? Picture me rolling, they hating. So good. Yeah, I love it.
So good.
I love it. There it was.
There it
Hey, that
was.
was actually all 4 wheels. Now I gotta land.
Okay.
Whoa! First try!
Did it.
We're gonna need a super slow-mo. We're gonna need a verification on that. You guys know what to do.
Okay, waltz board.
I put some easy ones in here for you. I put some ones that are not even like super weird, just like this one, just a freestyle board. Shout out Mike Osterman.
Okay, good, it rolls.
It rolls, it rides. You can ollie this. This might be the future of your skateboarding, freestyle. First try, best ollie of the day.
Was it?
Yeah, seriously, actually really
Okay.
good. Yeah.
Okay, good, did it.
Did it, placing it up. Okay, nailed it. Please, this one's deadly, at your own risk. Those things spin on top.
Nope, nope,
I mean, you can do it, just be careful.
no way.
You don't got it?
No, I don't have that one at all.
Abort mission, I told you. That
No,
one's
my
completely deadly.
weaknesses. This one I think I could.
Yeah, I think you can. I think you should. This one you probably want to take home to practice at night.
Yeah.
Wow! What in the world? Are you kidding?
I
Do that
do
again.
want to take this home to practice.
What? No way, Chloe. Okay, I'm straight up mind blown right now. Are you for real?
I'm for real.
Shove it.
Shove it. Okay, let's see if
Okay, you
that.
ollie that really good. Okay, yep, got him.
Not quite there on the shove it.
Gotta scoop it more. Oh yeah, there it goes. Wow, Tramp trucks for the win.
Okay.
You like it?
Yeah, I like it.
Your favorite one so far?
Yes.
Nice and easy.
Tramp trucks.
For the beginners, you get the Tramp trucks. But this one, the world's smallest trucks for the world's biggest board.
Okay.
Please
let's
be
see.
careful. Even an inch to the side and you're out of there.
Oh my gosh. That's ridiculous.
It is, right? Yeah, slaying it. Yeah,
That counts.
pop the tail. You're gonna do it better than that. I believe in you. You're going one and then step two is way too fast.
Okay. Oh my gosh.
It's hard, right?
This is really
Because
hard.
of the trucks. Okay, you can abort mission if you want.
Yeah, I think that one's as good as it gets.
Because of the trucks.
Yeah.
But if we put normal trucks in there, wide trucks, that might be good for you, right?
Yeah, I could do it on that.
You'd feel good.
Yeah.
This one, and again, please be safe. I
This
don't think
one
you should
looks
try it.
fun.
Yeah, so fun.
Ah, smooth.
Really? You like that?
Yeah.
Ah, smooth, she says.
Okay, let's see the true test.
No way. You are not gonna ollie this. Okay, we'll count it.
Did all four get off the ground?
Absolutely.
No, they didn't.
Yeah, at least 6 inches.
I'm just waiting for it to stop.
It's not gonna wait. I mean, it's not gonna stop. Yeah,
See?
absolutely. I'm blown away. She's beginning to believe. Okay, this one I actually want to teach you. I feel like we should do a full tutorial.
But this one doesn't. I thought you said the things move, no?
Yeah, they do. So
Oh.
get on there and do a little shimmy. See?
Ah!
See?
Oh, I see.
But like shimmy back and forth and make it go. Yeah, see, I should teach you this.
Yeah.
Should do a video of you learning this, actually. Yeah, look at that truck. It's crazy. Crazy town.
Okay, so I don't think I can do an ollie on it.
No, I don't think so either. I think the tail on this one, tail and nose are hard. But the riding, how smooth is that?
So smooth.
So good, right?
Yeah.
And the turning?
I realize I like the thick wheels.
Yeah?
Yeah,
There you go.
so smooth. Okay,
The egg. Eggatron.
the egg.
Yes. So smooth, right?
It's not bad. Did someone make this?
Yeah, made it and send it in to us. You make it, we skate it. If anybody wants to send a board to You Make It, We Skate It, email us, skateit@brailleskateboarding.com. Let's go.
Is it skate it?
I think so.
Okay.
Do
I'm
not
not
try
gonna
and
be
ollie
able to
this.
do this.
There it was.
There it was. Stay
I'm
on,
mind
stay on.
blown.
There it was. I did it.
Beginner versus the nightmare boards. Nightmare they are. Right?
Yes, they are a nightmare. Some of them are great though.
For whom the bell toll. Yeah, good. Best beginner complete.
Okay.
Easy money. How weird does that feel after the weird boards though?
Oh my God, it feels so nice.
Yeah. There you go. First try.
There we go. Okay, last
next one.
two.
Target and Walmart board.
Target and Walmart.
Whoa. Shout out Target. Best ollie in the West. There you go. First try. Nailed it.
All right, last one. End with the Walmart board.
Yep, save the best for last. First try. You keep messing up the step 1, then 2.
I know.
It's the timing's off.
Hard to correct that in myself.
It's funny, you get it so easy on the Tramp trucks though.
I know, it's because they don't move.
What it means is the trucks that are throwing you.
I know.
What it means is you got to get more used to just riding.
Yeah. That's
There you
as
go.
good as it gets.
We count it.
Yeah.
Okay, tell me what your favorite one is.
My favorite one is the Tramp truck.
Yeah?
Yeah.
So good, you nailed it.
Fun. I feel like if you did that for a while, you could get good and then learn it on the ones with wheels.
Completely. We hope you guys enjoyed this video. Get Skateboarding Made Simple Volume 0 and get started. It is absolutely free. The link will be in that description below. And if you're a brand new skater, get the best beginner complete. It will get you started and get you everything you need. Go to brailleskateboarding.com. We have everything you need to learn how to ride a skateboard. We'll see you in the next video.